Okay, so the advanced problems say, okay, we're giving you the endpoint and the midpoint. Find what the other endpoint is. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that the other endpoint is x, y. We have these two unknowns, x and y. That's the other endpoint. But check it out. We know from the formula says that you add the two x's and divide by 2. That gives you the x of the midpoint. And if you add the y's and divide by 2, you get the y of the midpoint. So that's going to make us two simple little equations here. Negative 2 plus x over 2 gives us the midpoint, the x of the midpoint. So that's negative 4. So we have an equation to solve here. If I, to get rid of this divide by 2, I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2 times 2. Those guys cancel each other out, and what I'm left with is negative 2 plus x is equal to negative 8. And then I'm going to add 2 to both sides. I'll get x is equal to negative 6. Oh, I need some more paper to do the next one. Did not leave enough room here when I made these. Okay, so to do the y, same idea. The y we had, so one of the endpoints is negative 8. It's y is negative 8. We don't know what the other one is, so we're just calling it y. But if I divide it by 2, that gives me the y of the midpoint, which is negative 6. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So that gives me negative 8 plus y is equal to negative 12, because these guys canceled each other out. That's why I multiplied by 2, was to get rid of the divide by 2. Then I'm going to add 8 to both sides to get rid of minus 8. Y is equal to negative 4. So the other endpoint is negative 4 goes here. That's negative 6. This is my final answer. That's the x and that's the y of the midpoint. Excuse me, of the endpoint, the other endpoint.